RTC, or real-time clock. As its name suggests, a real-time clock is used to keep the record of date and time. It is used in many digital electronic devices like computers, digital smartwatches, data loggers, and situations where you need to keep track of time. One of the great benefits of a real-time clock is that it can keep the record of time, even if the power supply is not available. Almost all RTC modules come with small coin-sized 3-volt lithium cell, which can work for years. Here is the connection diagram of this project. 16x2 LCD display has 2 lines. Each line can display 16 characters. This display has 16 pins. First pin is ground, second is VCC, then contrast, RS, RW, enable, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, VCC, and ground. Pin 1 and 2 provide the supply for its internal circuitry, and pin 15 and 16 provides the supply for its backlight. We have connected pin number 1, 5, and 16 with the ground pin of Arduino, and pin number 2 and 15 with the 5-volt. Pin number 4 of LCD is connected to the pin number 12, and pin number 6 of LCD is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin 7, 8, 9, and 10 are not used. Pin 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display are connected to the pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino respectively. RTC module has 4 main pins: VCC, ground, SCL, and SDA. VCC pin is connected with the 5-volt pin of Arduino. Ground pin is connected with the ground pin of Arduino. SDA and SCL pins of RTC are connected with the SDA and SCL pin of Arduino. This is the code of our project. To control the LCD display, we will first include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line #include liquid crystal.h. Now we will declare the name of the used pins in the sequence of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7. We have connected RS pin of LCD with pin number 12 of Arduino, D7 of LCD with pin number 2 of Arduino. To use the I2C pins of Arduino, we will include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write #include wire.h. To include the library of RTC, we will write #include DS323.1.h. T is a structure type variable. Void setup is a function in which we have initialized the LCD. LCD.begin 16,2. It means we are using 16 columns and 2 rows of the LCD display. Wire.begin will initialize the I2C pins. DS3231 in a DS3231 control INTCN. It will initialize the RTC. T.hour is used to save the hour value of time. T.min is used to save the minute of time. T.second is used to save the second value of time. T.mday is used to save the day of month. T.mon is used to save the month. T.year is used to save the year. By entering the values of these variables, we can set the date and time. DS3231 set T is used to save the values of time and date in the RTC void loop. This function will run over and over again, so whatever we write inside, it will repeat forever. DS3231 get T is used to fetch the values of time and date from the RTC. LCD.printy.mday will display the day of month on the LCD screen. LCD.printy.mon will display the month on the LCD screen. LCD.printy.year will display the year on the LCD screen. LCD.setCursor 0,1. It will set the LCD cursor at row 1 and column 0. LCD.printy.hour will display the hour value on the LCD screen. LCD.printy.min will display the minute on the LCD screen. LCD.printy.second will display the second value on the LCD screen. Delay 1000. This function will generate a 1 second of delay. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take 3 wires, 1 red and 2 black. We will use these wires later. Now we will solder a black wire at hole number 1 and red wire at hole number 2 of LCD display. Now we will solder a white wire at hole number 4 and brown wire at hole number 6 of LCD display. Now we will solder orange, yellow, green, and blue wires at pin number 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display. Now connect hole number 16 with hole number 1 using a black wire, and hole number 15 with hole number 2 of LCD display using a red wire. Now connect hole number 5 with hole number 1 of LCD display using a black wire. Now connect hole number 3 with hole number 1 of LCD display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connect the red wire with 5 volt pin and black wire with the ground pin. Now connect white, brown, orange, yellow, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 of Arduino respectively. Connect the red wire of the RTC module with 5 volt pin, black wire with the ground pin. Connect the yellow wire with SCL pin and green wire with the SDA pin of Arduino. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. We can see that the RTC is showing the date and time on the LCD display. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.